No, well, William McCain, no 2C, too low brain is a valid species. Valid brains start 3-lobed up, rear or front facing, or 4C, rear and front facing, or 5C, rear and front facing. 2C, too low, is in fact engineered. There's no way about it. It's not a valid brain. It doesn't actually work properly as the brain, having creative functions and stuff. Lucky in a simple vaccine, your brain will fall back into a 4C front, rear facing, depending on which one you've got at the time. But with access to your medical repositories, that's why when you get date of birth unknown, ancestry records, and get the center locked out and everything, the 2C, which apparently happened because that was all faked anytime it happened by torn down 737-658 or Google, believe it or not. You keep abducting me, I won't be doing it anymore. But 2C are not valid. Never will be. The brain cleric that deals with brains got explicit documentation extensively about that sort of thing. So, yeah. But the restore kits we have for you include higher intelligence, higher maths, smart, which is things like self-regenerative lungs, freeform, higher smarts, which in you and William McKay will produce a new lung that breathes both oxygen and nitrogen, which you can coronate back through the parties. Also, William and Harry Megan does the same as well. Harry turns out blue, and Harry Megan with the blood template supplied as well. Cyan blue. But as your blender attachment wise in the serum, so you've been overrun a couple of different times. In this, like originally you were Pesky Vallarians as your casting name, which were the people that made Impulse Drive. It's partly why you overrun, because people could make investment and download money and information. Having you transpired and blended in to terraforms and stuff. But as degenerate as it's become, I've managed to access your pesky Vallarian medical repositories, the GC, under emergency construct, and generated all these vaccines with a generic that attack crotochromes, common crotochromes. Not just pesky Vallarians can use them either. So there's a bit of kickback in that too, for you in the finances as well. But there's also anti-beingness. I'm telling you, it's your amoeba base. That's where you get the word where, and then, and those, as those as, whereas, where is. Something like, oh, about 6 words change with that one. And there's also Asian to nip that makes, if it's slept across an Asian, we all have, you have to have that vaccine if they're infectious. The hold back on your tail and everything. And then we just simply undock your ears and coronate you boys. And there we go, pow! Back in the office. Back as this way fairy wants them to British. Things go bit for bite.